Welcome back. In this video, you'll learn how to automatically set contacts as non-marketing using workflows in HubSpot to better manage your contact limits and marketing eligibility. To get started, navigate to Automation and click on Workflows. From there, you can either create a new workflow or open an existing one. For this example, select an existing workflow and open it. Once inside the workflow, choose the enrollment trigger that determines when a contact should become non-marketing. Triggers can be based on conditions such as lifecycle stage changes, deal status updates, or specific contact activities. For this walkthrough, select a trigger based on a form submission condition. After setting your trigger, click the plus icon to add an action. In the Action panel, go to Contact Management, then select Set Marketing Contact Status. Choose Non-Marketing as the status. Confirm your selection and review your workflow to make sure everything is configured correctly. Once you're satisfied with the setup, save and turn on the workflow. That's all for today. If you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, be sure to use the affiliate links in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.